In this video, we're going to review the Major Exploration tool. So to start, we're going to begin here at the Student tab, and then we scroll down to Degree Information. Now, there's a couple different places that we can find it. The Major Exploration tool is right here, or we can also see it over here on the side. Now, because it is kind of cut off here and it's smaller, what I like to do is instead of using it there, we'll just go ahead and click on this. That will bring it up to a full screen option. Now, when we're using this tool, it's important to understand that this is simply a what-if scenario. It'll show you what courses you need to take if you wish to change your major. Now, one important note is that before we change anything else, we want to change our catalog. So if we want to look at a major that is available on a different catalog year, we would come over here and do it first. However, I'm going to leave it where it's at. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to change it to Applied Business Management. So now it has reset, and with many different majors we can come down here and we can select our certificate. This can be confusing because this tool is also used by on-campus students and not simply online students. So there are some options here that are not available to online students. For those students that are online, they will not be selecting a minor, but you will want to select a certificate. And that is going to show in the same area here as clusters. So if we come down here, then we can see some of the options, and a C in front of this code means that this is a certificate. These are clusters that are available on campus, but the C is what we are looking for. Now, different options will show in there for different majors, and I can show you really quick. If I go back to Professional Studies, then suddenly there's a lot more options to select from. But we're going to go back to the Applied Business Management one, and then suddenly there's less options for us to choose. But what I would like to do now is go ahead and view selected scenario. With the Professional Studies major, you will need to select the certificates that you would like to pursue. But within the Applied Business Management, they are all going to show up. So we want to hit this option that says PDF Degree Audit, and when we do, it'll open up the PDF in a new tab. Here we can see this is the new degree audit under the new major, and it'll show us what courses we are missing and what courses we still need to complete. So if I wish to pursue the Basic Accounting certificate, then I can see these are the courses that still need to be completed. But then, if we scroll down further, we can see that one of those certificates, although it needs to be completed there, the Business and Leadership Skills, this needs to be completed, and then also the Business Admin certificate as well. So that's how we use the Major Exploration tool. It simply shows us what the options are, and we can click on that, and we need to understand the PDF degree audit as well. By using this, we can look at different majors if we would like to change to possibly pursue something else.